Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Bifrost wallet to Metamask. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Bifrost Wallet application, and if you haven't logged into your account already, use your biometrics or your PIN code to log into your account. Now after you log in, you will be taken into your homepage where you will be shown all of your available balance. Now right from the homepage, you can use the scanner that you see at the top right corner to scan the QR code for your Metamask wallet. You can go ahead and tap on this option, and this will directly open up the camera which you can use to scan the QR code of your Metamask wallet. You can also find the same option if you click on the settings option at the bottom right corner, which will take you into the settings menu. Now from the settings menu, if you scroll down, you will find Wallet Connect. Go ahead and click on this, and now you will be told that you can accept a Wallet Connect session by scanning the QR code of your other wallet. So you can tap on the QR code icon on this page as well at the top right corner and scan the QR code for your Metamask wallet. As soon as you scan this code, your Metamask wallet will be connected into your Bifrost wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to connect your Metamask wallet to your Bifrost wallet account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.